Speculations surrounding the death of a married couple in Westmoreland have been circulating on social media, with most casting blame at their adult son. The post on social media suggests that their son attended a popular summer party in Negril, contracted COVID-19, which was then transmitted to his parents, who died. But the grief-stricken son insists it's far from the truth. Another COVID tragedy in Westmoreland. For the Bacchus family, it's a double blow, as the husband and wife duo, Mike and Marcia Bacchus, recently died from the virus. The couple contracted the virus in July and never recovered. Marcus Bacchus is their son.
My mother died on the 16th of August. And then my father died 3 days after that.
But in the midst of the family's grief, Marcus is dealing with more depressing accusations. Multiple social media posts are suggesting that he attended a summer beach party in Negril where he contracted the virus and passed it on to his parents. Marcus says the posts are causing a strain on the family.
None of it is real. Everything is completely false. As I have not been in Jamaica for the past over 5 months. The 2nd of September will be 6 months I would have been out of the country, as I've migrated to the United Kingdom. So all of this right now, it is a shock to me and my brothers and sisters, because we are trying to deal with the grief of losing not one parent but both of our parents 3 days apart.
He says while he was overseas, he heard that his father got sick in July. His mother subsequently became ill and was taken to the doctor, where she received her positive test results. Her health deteriorated quickly while in hospital. His father, who also tested positive, was hospitalized as well. The family is asking for the false posts to stop.
If you don't know the facts directly, please don't go around spreading false information to people just because you heard something. And in time when people are grieving, leave them, let them grieve. If you don't have something good to say to them, to help them in the grieving process, don't say anything at all. You need to let people grieve in their own way.
The Bacchus family operated a gas station in Little London, a catering company, and a restaurant in Westmoreland.